Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw Peppa Pig step by step. Peppa is a lovable little pig from the popular cartoon series who loves jumping in muddy puddles. It's super easy and fun, so grab your pencil and let's get started. Draw her snout. Add the rest of her head. Add her face. Draw her body. Add her arms and legs. Start drawing her shoes. Finish drawing the boots. Draw a puddle. Add the background. Colour in your Peppa Pig.